Hello, friends. So, our next big chemical area is laundry. Oh my gosh. I mean, 26 seconds when something touches your skin, it goes into your bloodstream. So, this is important to remember. That means that anything that you wash your clothes in, since your clothes touch your skin, I guess longer than 26 seconds. So the chemicals from the laundry detergent get onto your clothes, onto your sheets, and when you put it on or when you go to sleep, it gets absorbed into your bloodstream, and then your liver has to work with it, right? Okay, so Norwex, of course, has a solution, and they have Ultra Power Plus detergent that comes in powder or liquid. It has 0 irritants and like super concentrated. So a little bag will go a long way. If you have kids, if you have sensitive skin, this is absolutely a must. And this clean detergent is also what you use to clean your microfiber, by the way. So the liquid detergent has enzymes in it, and the bottle lasts you like 215 washes. The enzymes, they work on stains, so you can pre-soak something or treat it. Like if you have babies, you have stains from the poop and food and everything. And then the powder lasts for about 100 washes. All you need is a tiny 1 teaspoon per load in high efficiency laundry washer. So this is absolutely great because, like I said, there's absolutely nothing in these detergents that will harm your health. Yes? So you will about once a week throw all of your Norwex products, their bar cloth, window cloth, your dust mitt and everything, your mop pads, you will throw it in the laundry, maybe like the sheets or something that is not linty. And you will wash it once a week to really deep clean it, right? About once a month, you will need to really deep clean your microfiber. Because remember, your microfiber is crazy dense, and it holds on to all this dirt. So about once a month, you're going to boil a big pot of hot water, and you're going to use microfiber cleaner or laundry booster in it. So you just put 1 scoop in it. And then for about 30 minutes, you will kind of like soft boil your microfiber on the stove. I know it sounds crazy, but what's even more crazy, like your water that you are now boiling your microfiber in will turn like black, And like, no worries, don't freak out, because like your microfiber is just retaining so much stuff. And then you deep clean it and get it all out. So after you get it out of the boiling water, dump it in your sink and let it cool a little bit, rinse it out. Then you throw it in your wash it, and then dry it on the drying cycle. Okay, so laundry has a ton of chemicals, remember? And everything you wash touches your skin, goes into your bloodstream. So crazy important to take care of your laundry. Remember, no dryer sheets, no fabric softeners. Those are like the most toxic things in the world. And then you use the detergent, you use the microfiber cleaner, which will like really clean your laundry. You can use it for regular laundry too. That's absolutely amazing. And your most amazing dryer bowls that you can put essential oils on to scent your laundry if you want. Love it? I do.